Welcome to Liam Orange. Hi.
How's it going?
Look.
What are you guys doing today?
I'm building.
We've got Autumn and Liam, and we are going to be playing with magnetic tiles today.
Yeah, did you know that?
I did not know that. Check out. What are you building? Oh, that's cool.
Autumn's building Minecraft zombies.
Minecraft zombies.
Yes. Check on them.
Let's see what Autum's got going. Hey, it does look like a Minecraft zombie.
Look what on the top of it. Daddy, look, Daddy. Hey, look. Look what I'm building.
What do you got?
This is the second floor.
Let's come over here, see what's going on. How tall are you going with this thing?
I'm gonna go to the
Whoa. So cool.
I can copy that. Today I built the second floor.
Second floor?
Yeah, look how tall it is.
Oh, boy, look at that. Who could live in there?
There's Playmobiles that live. Is it policeman?
Let's see you put some more stuff together with those cool magnetic tiles.
Daddy, this can hold. How about open
What's in there?
So,
Oh, you got your guys in there.
it's okay. It's okay. They didn't get hurt.
They didn't get hurt?
Yeah,
Oh,
because
I'm
there's
glad.
a second floor. Pretend the second floor is like a bouncy thing.
How's the Minecraft guys going? Oh, you got, they're balancing a dog on top. That's cool.
Look.
What is that?
It's a ship with two places on it.
Is that a vehicle?
Yeah, the vehicle is inside. So look.
Oh, you've got cars stored in there. That's a really cool garage.
Yeah, we're building stuff. Look how tall mine is. This is the chimney. Where Santa lives.
That is very cool indeed.
Don't worry.
It appears half of Liam's apartment building is collapsed. Never fear, we can fix it.
Don't worry. It'll go back together.
Oh, good.
But did you know that these magnetic tiles can go by themselves together?
They can stick together pretty well, can't they?
Yep. Well, I wish they were really strong so they could just be really high.
What else are you putting together?
I wish it would be really strong. For not. Wait, there's a...
That could be the ceiling.
Wait, there's a square missing.
Uh-oh, we gotta find it.
Look, that's
There's
close.
one behind you, right over there. That purple one.
I don't want that one. I just
Oh,
want
on, what you got going?
building a tower.
Do-do-do-do.
Oh my. I forgot to build the floor.
Oh, yeah, you gotta have a floor, huh?
You have to take these down. Okay, I'm gonna go with the floor. No.
We're watching you.
Me?
Yeah. Autumn is finished her tower, and it appears there's about to be an accident. Uh-oh, what? Oh, no! Is that a police car? Someone should give him a ticket. Oh, someone was injured. He's lying face down on the floor. Quick, get the ambulance. We need some help.
Daddy, automatic.
Step on him.
This part is destroying me.
Here he comes. Can you help me? Take him away. Put him in the back. hospital as fast as you can. Oh, we have a malfunction. There, you got him. There we go.
Daddy, at least
He's too big. Strap him to the roof.
Elise.
There he goes. Off to the hospital. I hope he makes it. Full recovery. Alrighty, we're gonna finish off our building with a massive crash. Are you guys ready? Let's see if it's working. Is he lining up? Here he goes. Whoa, that was crazy. Still smashing stuff? Get it, Kimmy, get it.
I'm gonna get the ambulance.
Oh, our dog's gonna get on the action. Oh, the ambulance! Oh no! Come and get it! Oh, he wants that. Boy, you really smashed the building. Look at that. Get him, get it. Whoa! Look at that car go. Oh, he took out the ambulance again. Whoa!
Almost got me.
What do you think of that, doggy?
We'll see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more cool videos.